One of the very first questions you'll ask yourself when you start your business is, how much am I going to charge for my products or services? Some business owners think that if they have the lowest price, they'll get the highest sales. But customers are not always looking for the lowest price. Just think of some of the recent purchases you've made. Did you always choose the lowest price? And remember too, we often think of low price as low quality, so be careful. The key is to set a price that, after you've paid out all your costs, gives you the maximum profit and gives your customer the greatest value. So, we've got costs, price, value, and profit to think about. Let's look at what each of these means. First, costs. This is the total amount of money that you have to spend to produce, market, and supply your product or service. Costs are the money you pay out, and price is the money you get in. Now let's look at value. Value is what your customer thinks your product or service is worth to them, the amount of money they are willing to pay for what they get out of your product or service. Let me give you an example. A customer may place higher value on a cup of coffee enjoyed with a friend in a coffee shop than on a takeaway coffee in a paper cup. So, value is an important concept to understand in pricing. This is covered in greater detail in the Winning and Keeping Customers module. Finally, let's look at profit. Profit is what is left after you take away your costs from your sales. Some people think they have a very successful business if they make a large amount of money on sales. They forget that they have to take into consideration the amount it has cost to make those sales. Profit is the key factor in determining the success of your business. So pricing is not just about the numbers. Yes, you have to understand your costs, but you also have to take note of what your competitors are doing, how much they are charging, and, most importantly, the value you're giving to your customers. Something for you to think about.